Hey, welcome to Easy Remote Riches, your go-to guide for making money online, no matter where you are in the world. If you're a beginner and you want to start earning online in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 of the simplest, beginner-friendly ways to unlock your online income. No big investment, no fancy experience needed. Let's dive in. First up, paid micro-tasks. This is hands down the easiest way to get started. You can make money doing simple things like watching videos, filling out surveys, or checking images for quality on sites like Clickworker, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Remotasks. It won't make you rich overnight, but if you're consistent, earning $10 to $40 a day is totally possible. Perfect for testing the waters and getting quick wins online. Next, selling digital products. This one's a real game changer. You create something once, like an ebook, a planner, or some cool templates, and sell it over and over again. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip make it super easy, and you can design everything with free tools like Canva. Even something as simple as a budget planner can bring in consistent income every month. Third, freelancing. Got a skill? Great. If not, don't worry. You can start with basic services like writing, graphic design, or even simple video editing. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork have thousands of clients looking for help. Start with small gigs. As your confidence and experience grow, so will your rates and your income. Number 4, affiliate marketing. This is one of my favorites for passive income. Here's how it works. You recommend products, and when someone buys using your special link, you get paid. You can promote anything from software to gadgets on Amazon Associates, Impact, or ClickBank. Share your picks through YouTube, TikTok, or Pinterest, and watch the commissions add up, even while you sleep. And finally, AI-powered side hustles. Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and AI voice generators, it's never been easier to create content, design logos, or write ebooks. Even if you're a total beginner, people everywhere are using AI to launch side hustles and stack up extra cash, fast. So those are 5 super simple ways you can start making money online in 2025. Pick one, stick to it, and give yourself time to grow. If you want more tips like these, don't forget to follow Easy Remote Riches. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you in the next video.